Cup of coffee. Cup of coffee. Black coffee. Black coffee. Decaf coffee. Decaf coffee. Mug. Mug. Instant coffee. Instant coffee. Fresh coffee. Fresh coffee. Do you take sugar? Do you take sugar? Would you like some milk? Would you like some milk? I really like your mug. I really like your mug. How are you doing? How are you doing? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was okay, thanks. It was okay, thanks. Congratulations on the promotion. Congratulations on the promotion. Have you heard the news? Have you heard the news? What did you think of the party? What did you think of the party?